air handler and an electric strip as a backup heat. Down here we have the evaporator coil. Up here we have the heat strip and the fan blower motor and housing, etc. Right now, let me take off the door. Model number, which is an Aspen coil, 2.5 ton. Down here we have a condensation pump, which should be wired up with the air handler to shut it off. The pump doesn't work. That's the drain for the evaporator coil. Excuse me for moving the video around. Alright, that's the blower motor. This compartment is the heat strip and all the electrical wire. Right here we have a 60 amp. Back in there we have 2 heat strip, which is probably what it is. Let's see what's that. That's an 8 kW. So only 2 heat strip. 1, 2. Red wire, black wire. That's a transformer. In the back there, we have the board. Right here, we have the wires coming from thermostat, which you have the fan, common, reversing valve is the orange, yellow for the AC, white is for the heat, and red is for power. Yep. Anything else? That's the line set going up, strapped up neatly, going up to the ceiling. On the top we have a supply plenum, and over on this side is the return plenum. Both are orders. Let's take a quick run out to the heat pump. Which is the opposite side. And right here we have, this is how you could tell it's a heat pump. You have 1, 2, 3 service valves. Suction, liquid line, and true suction. Wrap your wires up neatly. Goes up into the housing. This is the model number, which is a 2-ton Goodman 14 SEER heat pump. Yep, that's about it. It's operating off of a Nest E thermostat, which, and the return is right underneath of the thermostat, which is a typical way you should install your thermostat, right next to the return, so it can sense the return temperature coming back, which is in the house.